Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So we're back with yet another episode, yet another journey. Yeah, we're going to Wayanad. Started at around 6 in the morning. I didn't want to start the vlog like every time at home, so just chose the highway. Since we kind of started early, we could avoid all the traffic in the city, make it to the outskirts in about 30 minutes. We have these two bikers in front of me, so we're like trailing one after the other. One is a Ninja 300, I guess. The other one's an NS 200. Since we're all at the same pace, it's all going cool. So this is how it would feel when you're going in a group, one after the other. That's what's happening basically. And I think the two of them in front of me are riding together. So next we'll be heading towards the border of Karnataka and Kerala. That will be through the forest. So as I was saying, we're getting close to the border. Since I did this route the same last week, I went to Ooty. I came by the same route. Here it is. Ooty is 68. Code is 153. We'll take the right. So we're like, I think, entering the forest checkpost now. Oh, Kalpetta is 62. Just keep going. No stopping. Signs of an elephant somewhere close by. I have ridden this route before. I've been to Calicut this way once. So then I did spot a few elephants. That was a long time ago, but yeah. Last week it was full of peacocks on the way, on the other part of this same forest. Today I don't spot any. I didn't spot a single peacock. I think you'll have to go in deeper. Welcome to Molehole Park, I guess. And it's drizzling now. Welcome with a drizzle. What are these people doing here? Okay, watchtower. Watchtower. They keep watch. But how brave do they have to be to stand there? So the security at the Karnataka checkpost said that they closed this road at 5:30 in the evening due to elephant movement and elephant trouble. It's like the elephants have a time now. So that's good. He just stops everyone and informs. Nice gesture. Now we've crossed the border in the forest, Kerala, and see, this is what people do. It's not supposed to park. It's not safe to do so. Oh, how much water is flowing today? I never seen that much water there before. We still have little more of this forest left. It's more than a drizzle now. It's kind of raining. This is the RTO checkpost for Kerala. No checking for us. We do get checked at times. Depends on, I don't know why they do it, when they do it, how they do it, but they do it. And we do have speed traps set up in Kerala as well, so I have to be cautious. I don't want to get into trouble, like the last time how it happened in Ooty. Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary. Sultan Batheri, 11 kilometers. Edakal Caves, 24, and there's so much water. Sultan Batheri, one of the big towns in Wayanad district. now we make our way to Zostel. Banana chips. The smell is here. It's inside the helmet now. Banana chips in coconut oil. Speciality of Kerala. See all this cleaning I did. Oh yeah, I forgot my shoe. I'll wipe that later. Then the pant and the coat. And here we go. Voila. And once again, I'm the only person in the entire dorm. Ta-da! Nice, washroom as well. Bang! It has a latch inside. Magnets missing. And the same dorm rules. Nice photos, nice bed. The cupboards are pretty big here. And guess what? This used to be a hospital before. This is the pond. Look at this. Super cool. And that is Chembara Peak, I think so. See, told you. Chembara Peak Estates. Hospital Foundation. It was opened in 1950. And here it is, Wayanad. There's the bike. You can't see beyond that tea leaf because it's all misty. Let's go to the cafeteria. And it's open actually. I'm just not going inside. That's it. I will take it.